Hello everyone, if you're here today it's because you want to improve your ballet extensions, am I right? Well, today I'm going to be teaching you single leg extensions with resistance bands routine. And the only thing that you're going to need is a resistance band. So say that, let's get to it. The first thing that we are going to do is to test our extensions right now, just to compare at the end of this routine a before and after. And we are going to make sure that our hips stay square, facing forward, keep that turnout, and let's see how high our legs are before doing the exercise. We are going to do develop it forward, develop it to the side, arabesque, not my good one, oh my god, and other side. Develop it forward, not my good side, develop it to the side, and arabesque. Now we are ready for our first exercise. Step on top of the third band, from behind, it goes to the opposite shoulder. And by having the third band in this position, we are going to work on a strength while also working on creating turnout. First exercise from Batman Tandy, we are going to do Relevé lent and down. We are going to do 8 repetitions. We are going to make sure that our hips stay square, facing forward. We keep turnout of the action in leg and super tall. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hips square, 7, one more, 8. And now we are going to repeat everything to this side. I would recommend you to do it with 2 hands on the bar, if it's easier for you. And we are going to begin now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to do it on arabesque, and you're going to make sure that the opposite shoulder is back so we stay square, facing forward. We begin now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your back doesn't move, your hips stay square. 7, 8. And we're going to change legs. Other side, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hips square, 8. To the side. 1, 2, 3, hips square, 4, extend your legs, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arabesque. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Make sure that your back stays straight and it doesn't move back and forth. Our next exercise, we're going to do Relevé lent, and we're going to pulse up, up, up. And we are going to do 8 repetitions. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the side. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arabesque. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we change legs. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. We can do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. To the side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arabesque. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you really want to improve your ballet extensions, nothing is stopping you from doing this routine every day. You can do between 2 to 3 sets of each exercises and between 8 to 15 repetitions. Also, for more videos like this one, I would recommend you to click right here or check down below in the description of this video, where I'm going to leave a ton of links for you on how to improve your ballet technique. So say that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.